Want to let someone know where you are on Telegram in real time? In this video, I'll show you how to share both your current and live location through Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device and go to the chat where you want to send your location. Once you're in the conversation, tap the paperclip icon next to the message input field to open the attachment options. From the menu that appears, choose Location. If you only want to send your current location, tap Send Selected Location. Telegram will instantly send a pin on the map showing exactly where you are at that moment. To share your live location, repeat the process by tapping the paperclip icon again and selecting Location from the menu. This time, choose Share My Live Location for and select how long you want the other person to see your real-time movements. Options include 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. After choosing the duration, tap Share and your live location will appear in the chat. The recipient can now follow your movements in real time for the selected time. If you want to stop sharing your live location before time runs out, simply tap on your live location message in the chat, then select Stop Sharing Location from the bottom menu. Your live location will stop being shared immediately. If this video helped you out, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more quick and helpful app tips.